वेलकम टू लर्निंग अड्डा। आज हम बैंक एग्जाम्स के लिए 30 ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड मॉक क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। हर नए सेक्शन के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से पहले उसका फॉर्मेट और सॉल्विंग अप्रोच समझेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अप्रॉक्सीमेशन में वैल्यूज को कन्वीनियंट नियरबाय नंबर्स पर राउंड कीजिए, ऑपरेशन सेम रखिए और अननेसेसरी एग्जैक्ट डेसिमल्स कैलकुलेट करने के बजाय क्लोजेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए। क्वेश्चन 1. Approximation. 49.98% of 1601.2 plus 24.96% of 1198.8 minus 14.99 squared approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option A. 50% of 1600 equals 800. 25% of 1200 equals 300. 15 squared equals 225. 800 plus 300 minus 225 equals 875. Question 2. Square root of 3602 plus cube root of 4912 plus 39.98% of 874.6 approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option B. Square root of 3602 approximately 60. Cube root of 4912 approximately 17. 40% of 875 equals 350. 60 plus 17 plus 350 equals 427. Question 3. 49.98 squared minus 20.01 squared divided by 29.99 approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. First, use the difference of squares. 50 squared minus 20 squared becomes 50 minus 20 multiplied by 50 plus 20. That is 30 multiplied by 70. Now divide by 30. The answer is 70. Question 4. 1499.4 divided by 29.98 plus 24.97 squared minus 12.02% of 1248.8 approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option D. 1500 divided by 30 equals 50. 25 squared equals 625. 12% of 1250 equals 150. 50 plus 625 minus 150 equals 525. Question 5. 79.98 squared minus 19.99 squared divided by 29.98 plus 16.02 squared approximately. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option E. 80 squared minus 20 squared divided by 30 equals 200. 16 squared equals 256. 200 plus 256 equals 456. नंबर सीरीज में कॉन्सेक्यूटिव टर्म्स के डिफरेंसेस, रेशियोज या ऑल्टरनेटिंग ऑपरेशंस चेक कीजिए। वही सिंपलेस्ट पैटर्न कंटिन्यू कीजिए जो हर गिवन टर्म को एक्सप्लेन करे। क्वेश्चन 6. नंबर सीरीज. फाइंड द नेक्स्ट नंबर 4, 9, 28, 113, 566. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option A. Observe the changing multiplier. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 gives 9. 9 multiplied by 3 plus 1 gives 28. The multipliers continue as 4 and 5. Therefore, the next operation is 566 multiplied by 6 plus 1. The answer is 3397. Question 7. Find the wrong number. 11, 18, 32, 60, 117 to 28. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option B. 7, 14, 28, 56, 112. The fifth term should be 116, and 116 plus 112 equals 228. 117. Question 8. Find the next number. 5, 15, 12, 48, 43 to 15. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. The operations alternate between multiplication and subtraction. Multiply by 3, then subtract 3. Multiply by 4, then subtract 5. Multiply by 5, then subtract 7. Therefore, 215 minus 7 gives 208. Question 9. Find the next number. 2, 10, 30, 68, 130. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option D. Terms follow n cubed plus n for n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 cubed plus 6 equals 216 plus 6 equals 222. Question 10. Find the next number. 6, 13, 41, 167, 839. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option E. The multiplier increases by 1 at every step, and the added number also increases by 1. Multiply by 2 plus 1. Then by 3 plus 2. Then by 4 plus 3. Then by 5 plus 4. So the next term is 839 multiplied by 6 plus 5. The answer is 5039. Quadratic comparison में दोनों equations के सारे roots निकालिए। Relation तभी choose कीजिए जब वो roots के हर possible pair के लिए true हो। Question 11. Quadratic comparison. Equation 1. 2x squared minus 52x plus 336 equals 0. Equation 2. Y squared minus 15y plus 54 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option A. X roots 12, 14. Y roots 6, 9. Every possible x is greater than every possible y. X greater than y. Question 12. Equation 1. 3x squared minus 24x plus 45 equals 0. Equation 2. 2y squared minus 36y plus 160 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. X roots 3, 5, Y roots 8, 10. Every possible X is less than every possible Y. X less than Y. Question 13. Equation 1. X squared minus 16x plus 63 equals 0. Equation 2. 2y squared minus 24y plus 70 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. X roots 7, 9, Y roots 5, 7. The smallest x equals the largest y, otherwise x is larger. X greater than or equal to y. Question 14. Equation 1. 2x squared minus 20x plus 48 equals 0. Equation 2. Y squared minus 14y plus 48 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. X roots 4, 6, Y roots 6, 8. The largest x equals the smallest y, otherwise x is smaller. X less than or equal to y. Question 15. Equation 1. 4x squared minus 88x plus 484 equals 0. Equation 2. 9y squared minus 198y plus 1089 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option E. 4, x minus 11 squared equals 0 and 9, y minus 11 squared equals 0. Thus x equals 11 and y equals 11. X equals y. Arithmetic questions में statement को required formula में convert कीजिए, units consistent रखिए, और सिर्फ asked quantity calculate कीजिए. Question 16. Arithmetic. A pipe fills a tank in 12 hours, B in 18 hours, and a leak empties it in 36 hours. All three operate for 4 hours, then the leak is closed. How many more hours are required? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option A. Net rate equals 1 divided by 12 plus 1 divided by 18 minus 1 divided by 36 equals 1 divided by 9. Filled equals 4 divided by 9, remaining equals 5 divided by 9. A plus B rate equals 5 divided by 36. Time equals 5 divided by 9 divided by 5 divided by 36 equals 4 hours. Question 17. Two trains 210 meters and 190 meters long cross each other in opposite directions in 8 seconds. If the first runs at 72 kilometers per hour, find the second train's speed. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. 210 plus 190 divided by 8 equals 50 meters per second. First train equals 72 kilometers per hour equals 20 meters per second. Second train equals 30 meters per second. 30 multiplied by 18 divided by 5 equals 108 kilometers per hour. Question 18. An 80-liter mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 3:1. 20 liters is removed and replaced with water, and the operation is repeated once. Find the final ratio. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. Initial milk equals 60 liters, milk left equals 60 multiplied by 1 minus 20 divided by 80, squared equals 33.75 liters, water equals 80 minus 33.75 equals 46.25 liters. 33.75 to 46.25 equals 27 to 37. Question 19. A committee of 3 is selected from 5 men and 4 women. What is the probability that at least 2 women are selected? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. 2 women, 1 man, 4 choose to multiplied by 5 choose 1 equals 30. 3 women, 4 choose 3 equals 4. Total favorable equals 34. Total committees equals 9 choose 3 equals 84. 34 divided by 84 equals 17 divided by 42. Question 20. A invests rupees 60,000 for 12 months. B invests rupees 80,000 for 4 months, then withdraws 25% for 8 months. C joins after 3 months with rupees 90,000. From a profit of rupees 46,600, find C a share. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option E. Compare capital multiplied by time. A contributes 60,000 for 12 months, giving 720,000. B contributes 80,000 for 4 months and 60,000 for 8 months, giving 800,000. C contributes 90,000 for 9 months, giving 810,000. Their ratio is 70 to 80 to 81. Therefore, C receives 81 divided by 233 of 46,600. C's share is 16,200 rupees. Simplification में BODMAS follow कीजिए. Brackets और powers पहले, फिर division, multiplication, addition और subtraction solve कीजिए. Question 21. Simplification. 7 divided by 12 of 864 plus 11 divided by 15 of 750 minus square root of 1764 equals. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option A. 7 divided by 12 of 864 equals 504. 11 divided by 15 of 750 equals 550. Square root of 1764 equals 42. 504 plus 550 minus 42 equals 1012. Question 22. 2.4 cubed multiplied by 125 plus 35% of 960 minus cube root of 2197 equals. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. 2.4 cubed multiplied by 125 equals 1728. 35% of 960 equals 336. Cube root of 2197 equals 13. 1728 plus 336 minus 13 equals 2051. Question 23. Square root of 2025 plus cube root of 4096 squared divided by 61 equals. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. Square root of 2025 equals 45 and cube root of 4096 equals 16. Sum equals 61. 61 squared divided by 61 equals 61. Question 24. 999 squared minus 1 divided by 998 equals. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. Use the difference of squares. 999 squared minus 1 squared factors into 998 multiplied by 1000. Dividing this by 998 cancels the common factor. The answer is 1000. Question 25. 0.008 raised to the power minus 2/3 plus 0.027 raised to the power minus 1/3 equals. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option E. Cube root of 0.008 is 0.2 and cube root of 0.027 is 0.3. 0.2 raised to the power minus 2 equals 25. 0.3 raised to the power minus 1 equals 10 divided by 3. Add them carefully. 25 plus 10 divided by 3 equals 85 divided by 3. डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन में पहले चार्ट लेबल्स और यूनिट्स पढ़िए. सिर्फ रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यूज सिलेक्ट करके रिक्वेस्टेड रेशियो, परसेंटेज या एवरेज कैलकुलेट कीजिए. Question 26. Data interpretation. After a 25% increase in branch A and a 20% decrease in branch D, find the ratio of their new account totals. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option A. First, revise both branch totals. Branch A increases from 960 by 25%, so its new total is 1200. Branch D decreases from 1680 by 20%, so its new total is 1344. The required ratio is 1200 to 1344. After simplification, the answer is 25 to 28. Question 27. Find the average of 35% of branch BS accounts, 62.5% of branch CS accounts, and 75% of branch ES accounts. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. B equals 35% of 1200 equals 420. C equals 62.5% of 1440 equals 900. E equals 75% of 2160 equals 1620. 420 plus 900 plus 1620 divided by 3 equals 980. Question 28. Branch E opened what percent more accounts than the average number opened by branches E and C? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. First, find the reference average. Branches A and C together have 960 plus 1440 accounts. Their average is 1200. Branch A has 2160, which is 960 more than this average. 960 divided by 1200 multiplied by 100 equals 80%. Question 29. If 15% of branch S accounts and 12.5% of branch DS accounts become dormant, how many active accounts remain in these two branches together? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. A active equals 85% of 960 equals 816. D active equals 87.5% of 1680 equals 1470. 816 plus 1470 equals 2286. Question 30. Branch CS accounts are split among current, savings and fixed deposit accounts in the ratio 5:4:3. Premium accounts are 20% of current and 25% of savings. Find the ratio of CS premium accounts to 1/6 of branch ES accounts. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option E. Current equals 600 and savings equals 480. Premium equals 20% of 600 plus 25% of 480 equals 240. 1/6 of 2160 equals 360. 240 to 360 equals to 23. डेली लर्निंग कैप्सूल को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. ऐसे हाई ओरिजिनल बैंक एग्जाम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.